Hi guys, good afternoon. Just coming past 12:30. Let's have a quick look over the morning after the night before. Nasdaq obviously big move lower as equities did in general. How are we doing today? We're up slightly. It feels like we need the afternoon to come with the cash open for a decision to be made. The low of yesterday is massive. For me, that's the trigger for the next move down. I know that sounds pretty obvious, right? If we're below yesterday's low, we must be going lower. But just the importance of the level, you see that there. You know, below here, I know we've got the low of the 8th, which you'd obviously have as a target, but still a decent enough move. And I feel that would open the door up a bit for a bigger move down. For the upside, I mean, look, obviously there's going to be opportunities if we were to have got to the point I'm going to show. But, you know, maybe here. I feel I'd rather be really late to equities in the longs after yesterday, and for me that's it's above those morning lows from yesterday. So I'm almost happy to sit on the fence today. I guess you could argue you've got a really nice sort of support zone or previous support from yesterday, now resistance here, which is a bit closer, but still it's a big move for us to get up to that point. That said, that's where the bears for me have to defend. And you can see here, just from talking over some of the traders, it's the same level. Those previous lows on the S&P coming at 31.83. That's the key point where the bears need to defend. If we can get below yesterday's low as well, I mean, it's such a good support area overnight in the Asian session. That below 31.40, I think we can actually get 3100 relatively quickly, as long as we get the right closes there. So yeah, I'm on the fence about a move either way. I'm bullish above here, I'm bearish below the lows of yesterday. I'm sorry if that's a bit sitting on the fence and boring, but that's really the way I see it. The pound is similar in that, you know, the bears need to defend 125.42. Support, really break through sort of resistance. The afternoon, risk on we go, risk off we come down. But that's certainly the area they need to defend. Obviously your key will be based on how it reacts, I guess, to take that trade on. But if that holds and we do push lower lows of the days to come in, and then you are looking potentially at a move down to sort of 124.70, and on the daily chart, just quickly, that whole area is very key before maybe even the 122.50s come in. So for the pound, the bulls need us back above 125.42. I think if that happens, you get the high of the day. But the ultimate, the sort of late to the party long for me is back above the pivot, which was those lows. So risk assets looking very similar, aren't they? The euro dollar. Look at that, it's just pushing on, isn't it? I mean, you know, we're now above yesterday's highs. Can we confirm the midday hour after above? Let's see, we closed right on it, so this will be important to have a look at. But euro really pushing on, and it seems to have the high from June in its sights. You know, I actually wouldn't mind a little cheeky short if we were to get up to that 115, to be honest. But at the moment, yeah, I'd still say that you're happy to be bullish. Haven't had a close above here since the 9th of March, so that'd be key. Really keep an eye on that. Quick look at gold, just to see if there's anything on the 60-minute that is of interest. Obviously breaking through those lows. Yeah, I mean, that's a key level. I mean, if you like the false break in gold, it could be seen like that. And obviously you've got the 1800 handle there as well. If this area holds, drift back down to the lows of the day, obviously just be aware. I'd say this point is key here, the sort of previous high, 1789 for gold there as well. Late to the party is with all of them. Sort of lows from the day which broke down overnight or yesterday, and we can be bullish above. Some interesting levels out there, I have to say. Anyway, guys, hope all was well, and catch you all later on.